guys, I'm with Teacher Marinel, Teacher Elna, and Teacher Adeline.
What kind? Oh, you tell who is Teacher Rodeline? Teacher Marnel and Teacher Elsa. Hi guys. Nag-meet up kami dito sa Starbucks. Yes, na-miss na sila ni Kai. Parang nahiya lang si Kai.
Oo nga. Meron to. So, after nakita po namin ulit sila. Thank you for remembering us. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you po.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you so much for remembering us po. Tsaka dito. Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Teacher Rodeline.
Attention na hindi ako pababa. Mahirap ang pababa.
Opo, teacher.
Abutan pa natin si
Kayo mga bigat.
Sir Ninang. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. See you next year.